Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Lego tables that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 3-in-1 Major Brands Compatible Activity Table. Available in a complete set of a table and 2 chairs, this Lego table has a removable cover. The 3-in-1 table has multiple use and is compatible with various brands. In this, you will find a storage compartment which makes it easy to clean up. Moreover, this is a brightly colored table and will let your children have fun for hours. This is a very sturdy table and is made of a great quality product. Furthermore, this has been tested for safety and meets the American guidelines. It is large and will accommodate several children at a time. This is very attractive and is easy to use. You will only have to put on the cover and use it. Moving on at number 4, we have the compatible with Lego Duplo table. Here is a Lego table which is also compatible with Duplo. In this, you will find a Lego Meep, and when you reverse it, you will find a Duplo Meep. This is affordable and is made of top quality wood. Moreover, this is built to last long and has a melamine tabletop. The table has multi-use, and you can also use it for art and craft or homework. The surface of the table is effortless to clean, and it has holes around its perimeter. This will allow you to have different activities and is tall enough to make your kids sit. Furthermore, this has removable base plates which allow you to clean it easily. At number 3, we have the 2-in-1 Activity Table Espresso. Made with wood, this Lego table has rounded corners which will provide additional safety for your children. It comes with colorful illustrations and has a smooth play surface. The table is very durable and is large enough to accommodate many kids at a time. Moreover, this has a sturdy construction and is very easy to assemble. You will be getting the assembling instructions which make it convenient to set up. This is also very stylish, and you can easily place it in your living room. Furthermore, this has a double-sided playboard and is very lightweight. You will be getting various accessories with it, which will allow you to start your game right away. This is easy to move and will make your child imaginative. It is one of the most affordable and best Lego tables available. At number 2, we have the 2-in-1 Activity Table. This is a cute Lego table which is compatible with 200 Lego blocks. It has a large size which allows multiple children to play at one time. This is durable and has an impact-resistant T-molding on its side panels. Moreover, it comes with a convenient storage space when you can store the blocks when not playing. The table has a sturdy construction and is very lightweight. This is strong and provides a perfect spot for your kids to let their imagination go wild. Furthermore, you will be getting Lego blocks with this and will let you begin the game right away. It is attractive and will match the decor of your home. There is no doubt that it is one of the best Lego tables to buy. And finally at number 1, we have the 2-in-1 Kids Construction Play Table. Here is a Lego table which is suitable for kids over 3 years. It comes in a perfect height which makes it suitable for your children. Your little one will have fun with this and will also inspire them to be creative. The multi-activity table has double-sided playboard tabletop and includes a smooth surface. You can easily convert it from a construction table to a playtime table. Moreover, it will provide an ideal play space and is compatible with most types of building works. This is very durable and has 2 storage spaces which will make it convenient to store the blocks. You can easily set up the table and make use of it. Furthermore, this is very attractive and will match the decor of your home. You can place it anywhere you want as it has an espresso finish which will provide an elegant look. This has wooden legs and can also tackle vigorous play. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.